Hey guys, it's Ryan, and we're gonna do another video here with the 11-inch MacBook Pro because I got in the mail this fancy thing. This is from dBrand. What is it? Do not bend. You guys have probably seen dBrand around quite a bit on all the other, tech channels and those places. This was sent to me by no one because I wanted to buy these on my own. I thought I would look and see how good these actually were and how easy it is to put it on this guy right here. So this is my 11-inch MacBook Air that I did an unboxing of a few videos ago, but it's very small, very compact, teeny keyboard, smallest laptop these guys have ever done. I actually failed to mention in that video that Apple has made a 12-inch MacBook Pro before. Way back in the day where all the keys on here were still silvery right here. So they had a 12-inch version, which was awesome too. So let's pop open this guy and I'll show you the colors that I got, and we'll see how easy it is to actually put it on. Oh, that is so nice of them to give us a little thing here. There it is. Cool. Okay, let's look inside here. Do not bend. Ooh. Ah, look at that. Anything else? I like the single packing peanut. Quite nice. This will go aside. And there we got dBrand. It's not a product, it's a culture. Kind of take a look and see what colors I got. What's that? Ooh, okay. So I got, let's see, what do we got here? That is the top, look at that. Ooh, that's gonna look good. And then this is the bottom, precisely cut. And this is the keyboard layout here. And I believe I did this for the trackpad, just a little bit of black right there in the middle. And this is just a microfiber cloth, which is nice. Oh, this is gonna look so good. Look at that thing. Look at that. That's awesome. Okay. So I'm gonna figure out how to do it. Purchased, we knew you would. Delivered, you're welcome. Installed, there's only one way. dBrand.com/how. All right, so after some research, followed their video online. It's very helpful. We're gonna see just how long it takes here to do this. Okay, so we're gonna start with the top. And funnily enough, I had to go grab a hairdryer, my wife's hairdryer. So this is gonna be good. You wanna make sure it's clean. They give you the microfiber cloth so you can make sure it's nice and clean. First step. It's good to have all this light, which is nice. So you peel off 3M paper and then you set it back down on it like so. So see how it's just a little bit off on each corner? And then we're going to, there should be just a little teeny bit showing. Oh, this one's further off than it needs to be. Come on. No, we're off. Nice thing is if you're off, you can just peel it up like that and do it again. Okay, so let me get it on there. I'm gonna get in my way just a little bit. No, gotta do it again. I'm not close enough to the top here. Peeling it. Chance number 3. That's a little too far up. 4 times the charm. No, it's not quite there. Okay, it did take a little bit of getting in the right spot, but now you should be able to just kind of pull this out a little bit. So once you get it lined up there, you're supposed to smooth it down like that. Then you pull it back a little bit. Come on, you can do it. There we go. You smooth it down again around the edges. You pull it back again. Just going a couple inches every time. I'm waiting for this thing. Ooh, let's get that centered. I'm waiting for the little logo to show up. You ready? Here we go. Oh, it's peeking. It's peeking. Ooh, look at that. Oh, come on. Okay, we'll go a little bit more. And a little bit more. And then we'll just roll it down. Look at that. Ooh. We got a bubble. That's okay. Easily taken care of. Yes. Now that looks cool. Okay, so that was the top. Nice and green. Okay, let's do the bottom here. Take our cleaning cloth. I'll go over this guy. All right, so when you pull this guy off, you're actually going to want to put him down like so. Whoop, almost. You know, a little bit further up, because these holes have to be exposed so you can line up the feet. So let's line these bad boys up. I'll line up that one and the screw hole. I do the screw hole too. And then we need to make sure that the corners are not down. They need to be up like that. Okay, that looks pretty good. So now it's opposite because we're gonna go this way now instead of diagonal. Go down just a little bit. All right, it's looking good. Work our way down. Corners are still up. We want these up like that. There we go, a little bit further. Almost to the end. And now this last one, let's see, we'll go center out like that, right? But then this last one should just line up with these feet. Yeah, pretty close. A little bit of silver shown, but it's pretty good. And then we need these corners up. So here's the thing you need the hair dryer for, this next step. Let's throw that aside. Okay, let's see if my wife's hair dryer will reach. So these are gonna be up like this. You want these up. And then, so we'll start over on this corner here. And we're gonna heat this corner up and then we'll stick it down. Okay, now we're gonna stick him down. Ooh. So he's kind of loose. And then we stick him down. You can kind of tell when it's ready when it's up like that. Okay, we'll put her down just like that. There we go, that is the outsides. And they are looking pretty cool. Now, to the inside. Da, 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 da. Microfiber cloth and clean this guy really good. Now this one, it's just like the bottom piece. So we're gonna take it and move it down and out. We'll pull this off and we're gonna position it just above like that. But we line it up. Make sure I got it pretty much as close as I can here. Ah, that's not too bad. All right. This is weird. I'm usually super OCD about this stuff, but I'm calling that pretty much a win. So with this one, you just start to push everything down as you're going. You're just gonna do the sides because obviously that piece and that piece is gonna come out. A little bit more. This is the easiest part. If you have a MacBook Pro, it will have the cutouts for the speakers. This one's just so small that the speakers are underneath the keyboard, so it does not have those cut out. Now we're gonna get into the palm rest. That feels like it's right on right here underneath. So we're gonna keep rolling here. Doesn't really matter if you push down on this, but you really wanna put pressure where you know it's going. Look at that. There we go. It's exposing a little bit down here, but it's not bad. Let's see how crappy I did on the mouse. Oh, not too bad. I'm right on the edge here. So we'll put that right there. I'll take this keyboard piece out. It's amazing how precise these are. But, whoa, there we go. Right there. You're going right there. Okay, we got one more thing to do, which is the trackpad. And this one I'm gonna take, it's funny in their instructions, they did a little different. So they didn't really tell you how to do this. I'm guessing it's the same way that you do with most, or with everything else. And you're just gonna pull it off of there and go about that far. And then we'll just line up as we go. And this, because this is indented, I'm hoping it's a little bit easier. Or I'm doing it completely wrong. I don't know. Oh, that looks awesome. Right there, look at that. And there it is. That looks awesome. Let's see if you can see that there. Look at that. That's cool. Now it's all like, it almost looks still silver in the picture over here. But it green. That be green now. So that is going to protect my 2011 MacBook Air that has seen a little bit of usage in its days, and this should be quite nice. I'm gonna start her up and see how that Apple logo looks. Glowing. Ooh, look at it glow. Oh, that's awesome. And if I go kind of like down like that, ooh, look at that. Okay, that's awesome. All right, so difficulty level on this guy. Well, it's probably like I would want to say like a 5 or 6 out of 10. It's not super difficult. It's just how picky do you want to be, right? It's very, very, very close to where it needs to be. They say that they actually make it a little bit smaller, so you will see some silver around the edges on the MacBooks, and you'll see a little bit of your device. Everything is pretty much where it needs to be. The bottom, I was a little off on some of these screws up here. Like this probably could have gone up just a teeny bit more, but I'm pretty happy with it for my first skin, because I don't really skin things very much. Because when I've gotten things on my iPad, my iPads and my iPhones, I have someone else do it because it intimidates me a little bit. And because I'm such a perfectionist, like the guy who did the glass protector on my iPhone 6S Plus, it was perfect. And I wish I could get that on everything. But because it's me doing this, it's not going to be perfect because I'm not that good. So, but I think it turned out really well. I like it. It's like I said, like 5 or 6 out of 10 as far as difficulty. As far as the product goes, though, I mean, this is pretty rugged, a pretty rugged skin. It's not going to protect it from drops, but definitely scrapes and scuffs and all that stuff. And what I have planned for this and the travel that we're going to be doing with this guy, that will protect it just fine. So I hope you like that, guys. Just kind of getting a sense of how difficult it actually is to put a dBrand skin on. It's just like any other skin, but you want it to be precise on something as cool as this. It's like an intermediate level to get the skin on, but if you take your time, follow their instructions, then you should have no problem with it. So that is it for this video. Like, comment below. I actually want you to comment on if you've had a dBrand skin before and what you think of it. Let me know what your experiences were putting it on and how difficult it was for you. So comment below, like, subscribe, get that bell on, you know, give me one of these or one of those, whatever you want to do, and we'll see you guys next time.